Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, Tax Tutorials for MSME. Bago gamitin ang new sets of manual books of accounts, kailangan po muna itong i-register sa Bureau of Internal Revenue. Sa ngayon, ang registration natin ng books of accounts ay through online na sa Online Registration and Update System or ORUS. Kaya kung meron ka ng ORUS account, pwede ka nang mag-login using your email and password. Then, click I'm not a robot and click login. Okay. Ang i-register natin ay existing taxpayer na siya, 2 years in the business. Tingnan natin ang pag-register ng kanyang books of accounts. Click ang secondary registration. Click books of accounts. Register books of accounts. Automatic na yung details, ang tax identification number, branch code, registered name, RDO code, business address. Register books of accounts for. Pwede tayong mag-register dito ng ating main branch and branches. Papalitan lang yung branch code. So, dito sa ating registration ngayon, main office lang siya, wala siyang branch. So, pwede nang i-validate. Kung meron namang branch, palitan ito. Kung branch 1 or branch 2, then click validate. So, ibalik ko na sa 0. Click validate. Then, click add. Ready na tayong mag-register ng books of accounts. Click add row. Tick manual. Ang i-register natin ay cash receipts book. Quantity 1. Meron na siyang number 2 sa last volume. Dahil siya ay 2 years ng existing business. So, noong 2022, nag-register kami ng kanyang books of accounts. Noong 2023, nag-register din kami ng kanyang books of accounts. So, ngayong 2024, mag-register din tayo ng kanyang books of accounts. So, validity period 01/01/2024. Taxable year 01/01/2024. For the taxable year 31/12/2025. So 2 years yung taxable year na na-estimate kong i-cover ng kanyang books. So click add books. Then, click another cash receipts, cash disbursement journal. Quantity 1. Last volume, hindi siya nag-automatic. Cash disbursement journal is 2. Last volume is 2. Volume 3 to volume 3. Validity. So, valid siya from January 1, 2024. 1/01/2024 to December 31, 2025. Dalawang books lang ang aking i-register dahil ang kanyang general journal at general ledger ay hindi pa naman puno ang pages. So, pwede pa siyang gamitin. Continue lang ang paggamit. Then, click continue. Click continue. Kapag manual books of accounts, wala pong attachment na dapat i-upload. Ito pong attachments ay para sa loose leaf books of accounts at sa computerized books of accounts. All documents should be uploaded either as PDF or as JPEG or PNG image file. Each document should not be larger than 25 MB. For registration of loose leaf books of accounts, please attach the affidavit document attesting the completeness, accuracy, and correctness of the entries in the books and number of loose leaf used for period covered. Tsaka ito for registration of computerized books of accounts. So, hindi ito para sa manual books of accounts. Sa manual books of accounts, wala nang i-upload na files. And click review. Cash Receipts Journal, Volume 3, date register, June 2, 2024. Okay. Then, mag-agree dito sa mga statements. Click Submit Application. Okay, registration successful. Your registration for books of accounts is completed with application reference number. Then, your tax identification number, branch code, registered name, RDO. An email confirmation was sent to your registered email address containing the details and other information. Click OK. So, balik tayo dito sa profile. Okay. Kailangan po itong i-download at i-print at idikit sa cover ng inyong books of accounts. Yeah. This cover page has been generated for the purpose of bookkeeping requirements as amended. So, ito na yung cover page natin. This cover page must be displayed or stick in front of each registered books of accounts. Penalty for failure to display cover page and shall be imposed for existing revenue regulations and issuances. Okay. Click yung isa. Okay, tapos na tayo. Thank you so much for watching. Sa mga bago lang sa aking channel, please like and share my videos at mag-subscribe na rin po kayo para updated kayo sa aking mga next videos. Thank you so much. Bye!